Osmo Mobile 6 First Use. Open the box. You'll see the Osmo Mobile 6 gimbal and its accessories. Take out Osmo Mobile 6 and mount the grip tripod. Unfold the gimbal, and it will automatically power on and beep. Attach the magnetic phone clamp to the center of the phone. Attach the clamp to the magnetic dot on the gimbal to start using. At this time, the system status indicator will turn from red to solid yellow. The gimbal mode icon will light up, and the gimbal will start to stabilize. You can also pull out the extension rod. Make sure there's an internet connection and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Launch the DJI Mimo app. Select Osmo Mobile 6 and tap Authorize to connect to the gimbal via Bluetooth. The system status indicator will turn solid green, and you can start using DJI Mimo. If you have purchased or plan to purchase DJI Care Refresh, please finish the purchase and binding within 30 days of Action 3 activation. If you are an iOS user, you can authorize in-app settings to speed up the launch of Osmo Mobile 6 on your next use. The moment you attach your phone to the gimbal, there will be a prompt for launching DJI Mimo. Tap, and you will immediately enter camera view. Launch the Mimo app. In camera view, slide to switch between photo and video mode. Tap the record button to start shooting. Tap the playback icon to view the footage you just captured. Tap the star icon on the top left corner to get shot guides. Joystick. Push the joystick to control the gimbal direction. M button. Press Osmo Mobile 6's M button once to switch between gimbal follow modes. Press the M button 3 times to enter standby mode. The system status indicator blinks yellow or green slowly. Shutter record button. Press the shutter button once to start or stop recording. In photo mode, press and hold to shoot strings. Switch button. Press the switch button once to switch between the front and back cameras. Press the switch button twice to switch between portrait and landscape mode. Press 3 times to switch between photo and video. Side wheel. Set to control zoom by default. Press the side wheel once to switch to focus control. In zoom mode, rotate the side wheel to zoom in or out. In MF mode, rotate the side wheel to change focus distance. Trigger. Press the trigger once to enable or disable active track. Press the trigger twice to recenter. Press and hold the trigger to enter lock mode. Press once and then press and hold to set the follow speed. On the front of Osmo Mobile 6, there is a system status indicator, a battery level indicator, and gimbal mode indicators. System status indicator. When the magnetic phone clip is not mounted in place, the system status indicator blinks red. When the magnetic phone clip is mounted in place, but the gimbal is not connected via Bluetooth, the system status indicator is solid yellow. When the magnetic phone clamp is mounted in place and the gimbal is connected via Bluetooth, the system status indicator is solid green. Battery level indicator. When the battery level is lower than 20%, the battery level indicator turns red. Please use the charging cable included to charge the gimbal quickly. When the battery level is between 20% to 60%, the indicator turns solid yellow. When the battery level is higher than 60%, the indicator turns solid green. Gimbal mode indicators. Press the M button once to switch between gimbal modes with a beep sound. Retract the extension rod. Detach the smartphone and the magnetic phone clamp. Rotate the gimbal to a proper angle and fold. Osmo Mobile 6 powers off automatically for storage. You can rotate 180 degrees until the lock icons align and you hear a click to lock the axis arm. Thanks for watching.